education and care, they go hand in hand. And so like that's what drew me to nursing, and I do that every single day in the laundry world. So people don't view it as that; they just view it as laundry or clothes or whatever. But education and caring, and it goes so far. So example, I'll give you this example. I had a I had a new hire this week, and we give them all like a Stanley mug, not the name brand Stanley because I'm too cheap for that. But but we give them a Stanley mug, and we give them like an old school keychain. You know, when you used to have to go to the hotel, you had to use the key to get in the door.
Yeah.
And those
Yeah.
long octagon looking kind of keychains. So we give them a keychain and a handwritten card just to say, welcome to the team. Like, we're so happy that you're here. You know, you have something to drink out of. You've got to keep that kind of thing. And so she opened it, and she's in her late 50s. So she's had a lot of jobs before.
Yeah.
Fantastic lady. And she starts crying. And I was like, oh no, like, did I write something wrong in the card? Like what's going on?
Yeah.
And she says, I've never felt so welcome in a place. And she said, nobody has ever given me a welcome gift. And I thought, like, again, that people business, not the laundry business. It's little things like
Hmm.
that that will change your team, that will change your dynamics. And, you know, we just think a mug and a keychain, and it literally
Yeah.
changed her that day. And so I think we keep looking for opportunities of how we can change people, and it'll continue to trickle down. So,
Yeah. I mean, it's like this concept of the more that you give, the more you ultimately get, right? Like
exactly.
it just works out that way.
It
So
does.
if you can give from a place of being selfless and wanting others to be better, that's going to come back for you in ways you can't even predict.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.